I'm back to Bali. Let me know, guys, if you are happy to see me back in Bali. Anyways, let me know also in the comment section, how did you enjoy the series from Thailand? I know views were very small. Unfortunately, majority of my subscribers are only interested about the regular updates from Bali. But to everyone who watching me all the time, no matter where I am, what I'm doing, I would like to say thank you so much. I really appreciate your endless support to me. So to make everyone happy right now, I'm gonna be in Bali for the next upcoming few days. I'm gonna do regular updates from Bali, like, you know, regular stuff. So I hope so the views gonna come back a little bit higher. However, I think the interest of Bali is a little bit smaller currently anyways. And for everyone, you guys who are looking for fresh new content every single day and really enjoying my travels, I'm gonna tell you I'm traveling again somewhere very soon, at the end of this week actually. So stay with me, because I hope so, and I believe you're gonna enjoy my another series of travels. Either way, this is Legian Padma, of course the Azul Bali Mandira. Definitely some tourists are everywhere around this warungs on the beach. Nothing actually really has changed since I left. Bali Mandira hotel also seems pretty busy. I mean, pretty the same like it was. Also, it's already end of September, so it's beginning of the low season. We don't know how's the low season gonna look in Bali right now, because we know we have past pandemic times. However, definitely there are some tourists actually everywhere around all the time. And when I was in the airport, actually was pretty busy. Hello, my friend. Little song for me today.
Hi, very good. Hi, you're very well. How are you? Very good.
Very good. All good.
You read that? You're singing.
Okay.
I do what come by, do I do. I love you, baby. This from mom, beat, what beat, sweet, Zulu aside from way before.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah.
As you saw, singing guy is still here, singing for you, for me, whoever gonna visit him for sure. This is the Bali Mandira from the parking area. I gonna tell you, actually seems slightly quieter when I was here last time, but let's have a little stroll today around Padma Legian. Fat Ball, another restaurants, warung makan, some people time to time, the ladies, everything is pretty actually the same. This is the fresco, looks like a Canggu style cafe in Legian. I nearly forgot, ladies, massage parlors. This is a corner of Poser Pub and Padma Uttara. Poser Pub seems actually full of happy people inside. Some surfers, some taxi drivers. Let's have a look a little bit into Padma Uttara. There are massage parlors. This restaurant here is open again. Yo, that's good. Enjoy. Bella Vista. And this is Yo, what's up? How you doing, Mike? I'm alright. Thank you, brother. Thank you. And this is the Y bar. Also some people inside, definitely. Not so busy, but there are some people. The bar is open. Hello. I don't know what this lady is doing. Actually interesting. Garden View Resort. Some people actually everywhere around. You know, some improvements definitely, especially if you are watching me when I was like, you know, during the lockdowns and stuff. Overall look, view of the little bit of Padma Uttara, like little stroll around. Tachu, Robbie Balitoni. This is not really good money changer, I think actually. Better you don't exchange money here. However, Tachu options, everything is available here. Little traffic is going on. This is the gas truck. Definitely some tourists all the time. Check this out. They are everywhere walking around. This is a little bit of the Bali traffic situation. This is the entrance to the legendary garlic lane. I'm gonna vlog there maybe next time. This is the mini mart. I'm gonna go to the end of Padma Street today. I'm gonna show you around a little bit situation. Most of the hotels and restaurants seems open. Anyways, this car is very nice. Jeep Willys, legendary car. Actually wonder, there's so many of them in Bali actually. That's very interesting. Let's go to the end of the street. Sorry, you can see some people walking around time to time, but there are so many gaps where it's not so many people actually. Okay, I'm gonna cross the street. This is the local situation, slightly more optimistic seems like, because there are some cars. And yeah, overall loud bikes. Overall situation looks like this one. Guys, what I'm gonna tell you, you can let me know in the comment section what do you thinking about the current situation in Legian, in Padma. This is the Momo's restaurant. Also was busier, it was closed most of the times. Now it's open, however, seems like it's not so busy. It's 4:30 p.m. This is the corner of Mercure Hotel, and somebody opened the tattoo shop with the loud music over here, and they are Harleys at the front, in case if you are interested. And yeah, there if you're gonna go straight, there's Legian Street, guys. Overall, I think Bali is a little bit sleepy, and the interest is slightly decreasing. That's my personal observation. However, I would like to open discussion. What do you think? Also, in the past 2 days, I was 2 days in a row in the airport. When I was landing, there was so many people actually, but literally everyone, they were considered going to, to Canggu or to Seminyak. And when I was waiting in domestic terminal, waiting for Winnie because she arrived today, unfortunately she's back to office. She's working all the time. Actually, so sorry to her, but that's how's the life. Nobody said it's easy, right? And there was so many local drivers waiting for domestic arrivals, mostly local people as well. And all the time I was hearing as they are looking to go to Canggu, like literally everybody going to Canggu. And also when you are looking for the Google map, especially afternoon, like at that time, you will see as all the roads going to, Seminyak, Canggu, they're like totally red, like a traffic. When I want to go to make a video, maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow in Canggu, I have to go like 2, maybe 3 hours one way from Sanur. This is actually exactly the same distance, the time when I was going to Krabi in Thailand, 200 kilometers one way. But from Sanur to Canggu is about 25. So, okay guys, all the spas, like a Karla, GS spas, and all of the stuff next to the entrance to the garlic lane over here, everything is open and back to business. This is the garlic lane exclusively a little bit for you. Also last time when I was making video in the area of Legian, I saw 2 different beer cars, but they are not here anymore. I mean, maybe they are actually, there's less people currently. It's starting to be more quiet again. I don't know how it's gonna look like I said at the beginning of the video today, but low season is just begun. So let's see, tendency in Bali. So we cannot forget about the prices of the tickets coming from Europe to Bali, or especially to Bali actually. They are horrendous. I mean, they are extremely expensive, like crazy prices. Also the construction of the new promenade and stuff like this is ongoing. Well, the progress, I'm gonna make a special progress about this one. Let's back to the Padma. And actually, if I were talking about the prices of tickets, so I just would like to compare to the other countries. So if you want to go from Bali to Jakarta right now, by Garuda Indonesia, the price of the ticket is 1.92 million rupiah one way, which is about 150 US. And the same distance coming from Bangkok to Phuket by Thai Airways, and a smile because they went into bankruptcy, but still the national airline, like not AirAsia or any kind of low coster, it's cost you 570k, which is 35 US, maybe 40 US. So that's the big difference. And the same is international flights. If you want to go to Thailand or to Vietnam or I don't know, to Philippines, the prices are not that expensive when the prices to coming to Bali or Indonesia in general. I have no idea why it's like that. Also the petrol prices went up. Right now for Pertalite, which is 89 octane, it's cost you 10,000 rupiah. And if you want to buy Pertamax, which is 91 octane, which is still very low to compare to the Western world, is 14,500, which is like more than $1 already. Either way, Padma Hotel is behind me. Also seems pretty busy. I mean, there are some people inside. That was my short update from Legian, from Padma, since I come back to Bali. Like I promised you, next upcoming few days gonna be updates for everyone who didn't watch me in Thailand. I believe you are interested to see how is the life in Bali, how's the Bali current situation. Let me know which area of Bali would you like to see tomorrow. Would you like to see Kuta or Seminyak or Canggu or Sanur or maybe Ubud? And I will see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.